How to determine the G-code offsets in X and Y for the Zprobe and toolheads with Klipper. This is done with the help of a cheap digital microscope from AliExpress, costing in 2024 only €14, and Klipper with some simple macros. In this case, toolhead T0 is the reference because the Zprobe is attached to it. The Zprobe offset and other toolhead offsets are calculated using T0 as a reference. Due to the manual focus of the microscope, all Z offsets should be set to a fixed value, if possible at 0. Start with the preconditions, then continue with one of the others: Zprobe XY offset, toolhead XY offset, or verify a configured toolhead XY offset. Preconditions. The disclaimer has been read. The toolhead move distance increments in X and Y are available in steps of 0.1, 0.01, and 0.001. The digital microscope. It has a stable pedestal. It is available as webcam within Klipper. It has the crosshair enabled in any color or size. The G-code offsets of all toolheads are set to 0 in the configuration file, with set G-code offset X equals 0, Y equals 0. The tool head with the attached Zprobe is loaded. All axes are homed. Adjust the tool head or build plate height Z so the microscope, with pedestal, fits under it with a small gap. Position the microscope on the build plate so that the nozzle is close to, or in, the crosshair. Zprobe XY offset. If needed, change the microscope's crosshair size to fit the nozzle or Zprobe. Using the toolhead move distance increment buttons, accurately move the nozzle into the center of the crosshair, then push set reference point. Move the tool head with the distance buttons to any position in X and Y and then push go to reference point. The nozzle should return exactly to the crosshair center. If it does not match exactly, then, probably, the pedestal has moved. Using the move distance increment buttons, accurately move the probe into the center of the crosshair and then push calculate offset. The calculated values are displayed in the Klipper console. Verify the calculated offset is correct by pushing Go to Reference Point and then Go to Offset. If adjustments are needed, repeat one of the previous 2 steps. Add or verify the offsets to the Zprobe's configuration file. This may require the axis to be honed again, so remove the microscope.